Hey! Ugwunwa.
Purchase your tracks today.
Umonka village. Ebe Sabia can Sabia. Ozobolo. Umozobo nenye kele. Nnamdi Kanu. A freedom fighter. Reality was sincerity. Originality will go facility. Nnamdi Kanu is the able, stable. That take away the rebels that run our table. He's a man of integrity, we go facility. No be today, don't say he's been on this game. Over his dead body to take a bride. Yeah. Nnamdi Kanu. Ekele mu Nnamdi Kanu.
Purchase your
a man of freedom fighter. Ekele mu Samalaba. A man of freedom fighter. The chief commander in army staff of Biafra. Ekele lingi. Anamekuzi Kemaka Ugwo Kechukwu Ayi Ugwo Kechukwu the CEO Ugwo Kechukwu the CEO of Obinwannem worldwide. Anamekenegi Ugwo Kechukwu from Amaji from Umukachi Nkedi na Nsukka n'Enugu State. Big baller, based Hamburg in Germany. Osokwa n'ọnụ na-ekwu Biafra. Hi, ọnụ na-ekwu Biafra. Set us free, let's go home and develop our land. Set us free, let's go home and develop our land. Reality we go eternity. Ezoku ka na-ekwu. I don't care what the government mean.
Purchase your tracks today.
Echidime, Echeteka, Echidime, Innocent tomorrow get better. Echidime, Innocent tomorrow get better. Echidime lausa, Onye mechi, Bibo, Echidime. Ugwunwannem Echidime. Why am I dropping so loud and so clear? Spirit, me I must talk, speak my mind. Why my people suffer? We can't take this no more. The sentence that making Nnamdi Kanu in prison because he want equal right between you and I. Hey, Ogini Nigeria, Ogini reality we go to reality. Nigeria, change your eyes and realize. No time to fantasize. It's time for we to understand. They forget about your tribalism. You need to fight for your freedom. Stand up and say no to corruption. Shooting and killing Muslim and Christians. You them of say they want their own rights. Onye mechi Echidime. You know say tomorrow get better. Echidime. Ugwunwannem Echidime. Tomorrow get better. Ugwunwannem Echidime. You know say tomorrow get better. Tomorrow get better. If you betray your brother today, you know say you don't know tomorrow. Or just a canny, they betray your brother. Ugwunwannem Echidime. Shabala kakokwe pele toi. Oh, Uzolima, he dey betray your brother today. You know sir, Echidime, Echidime. If I knew ba, where is he? Ugwunwannem Echidime. Celebrate, Polokotom, bum, reality that we are truly, sanity. Aya, Polokotom, bum, reality that we are truly, sanity. Aya, waya, Polokotom, bum, reality that we are truly, sanity. Voila. Many as on my rest of me, I go talk me, I go speak my mind. You can find me. The only thing that Nigeria will do is to kill the citizens. The only thing our government is doing is to kill the masses. Let it get the chaos. Optional no justice. Nnamdi Kanu just because of say, he say a word. The sentence in life imprisonment. Life imprisonment is what Nnamdi Kanu is facing. Why Boko Haram? They carry gun, they kill many people. Our government will bargain with them. What a land of corruption. Hey, he negotiates with terrorists. Hey, who does that? Who does that? Omoto show me the law. He cannot show the law. We have a program on the way.
Purchase your tracks
Killing and
today.
shooting many people. Oh yeah. Iba riba, somebody gbogbo. Aja, aja, onyaja bolu moja. Pia, 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 pia. Ayi, onyaja bolu moja kajebenu, oja kanje nenu wano, oja kanjala nenu wano. Hey, reality. Okopo Isaiah Ugwunwa, Umonka village. Nwa Osobolo, nke dị na Anambra State, Anambra. Hey, anyị abụọ, ekele m Obinwannem Foundation, Worldwide Limited. Ekele m Nnamdi Kanu, Ọha Biafra. Ekelekwala m Ugo Okechukwu nwoke, Dikbola. Anyị na-enye gị ekele, too much, ọrụ na-ekwu Biafra na Hamburg.
Purchase your tracks today.
Ekele m Samuel Laikpa. All Biafrans, as many that are fighting for the freedom of our land.